Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is about transformation of sentences using as soon as, no sooner than. In affirmative sentence, we use as soon as. When you change the sentence into negative, we use no sooner than. This video is about it. So this is Umarana Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel. Before going to the concept, at first I want to say here, what is transformation of sentences? Transformation of sentences means we have to change one sentence from one grammatical form to another grammatical form without changing its meaning. Okay, already I have posted videos on transformation of sentences. You will get the link in the description box. So, transformation of sentences. At first we have to see the tense of the sentence, because when you change the sentence into negative using no sooner than, there what is required? Auxiliary verb is required. As soon as I reached there, it started raining. Here tense is reached, verb is reached, tense is simple past. As it is simple past, verb did is hiding in it. Did plus reach, that is reached. When you change the sentence into negative using no sooner than, okay, what it will be? No sooner than will be separated from no sooner, okay. No sooner always followed by one auxiliary verb. What auxiliary verb is present in the sentence? What is present? Did is present here. So, what will be? Did. No sooner did, then subject. Did I reach? Okay. No sooner did I reach there than, that comma will be removed, then it started raining. Next sentence, as soon as he saw the police, he ran away. The same thing, verb. What is the auxiliary verb here? This is main verb, saw, past form of verb. She, saw, seen. So, did is hiding in it. Did the auxiliary verb. Did is the auxiliary verb. As soon as, here, so it will be no sooner did he, then subject. Did he, she. Okay. Always no sooner followed by auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb followed by subject. Did he see the police? Then, no sooner than he ran away. What is written? The same thing will be copied. Okay. Then next number, as soon as we received your message, we heaved a sigh of relief. As soon as we received, did plus receive, okay, did is the verb here. No sooner did we receive, no sooner did we receive your message, then we heaved a sigh of relief. Then we heaved a sigh of relief. As soon as the mornings begin to be foggy, all flight schedules get disturbed, right? As soon as the mornings begin, begin means here simple present. What verb is hiding in it? Do, okay? In simple present, do or does. As it is begin, so do is hiding. If it is written begins, so does will be hiding. As soon as the mornings begin to be foggy, all flight schedules get disturbed, right? So what will be? No sooner the mornings begin. Do the mornings begin? Do the mornings begin? To be foggy, all flights to be foggy, then all flights schedules get disturbed, right? No sooner do the mornings begin to be foggy, then all flight schedules get disturbed. As soon as the day broke, all the street lights went out. Here broke is the verb. Break, broke, broken. Simple past. So did verb is there. As soon as will be no sooner done. No sooner did the day break. When did comes out, that will be simple present. Okay. No sooner did the day break. Present form of a verb. Did the day break, then no sooner than all street lights, all the street lights went out. Okay. So you remember where as soon as is there, when you change the sentence into negative, there we use no sooner than in transformation of sentences. Okay. Without changing the meaning of the sentence, we have to write the sentence. Okay. Where you use as soon as, in negative sentence we use no sooner than. I hope you get the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.